Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want to be a cryptocurrency millionaire? In this video, I want to discuss 5 rules, 5 things that you absolutely need to know if you want to be successful in these markets. So if you like the sound of that, I want to ask you to please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We'll be doing cryptocurrency news and technical analysis all throughout this bull run. And guys, there's so much potential money to be made in these markets, but also so much risk, so much volatility, and there's some very important things that you need to understand if you want to be successful in this space. Number one, and what might be most important is you need to understand the fact that cryptocurrency moves in cycles. We have bull runs, bear markets, years of consolidations, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay, we had another cycle. I believe it was 2015, or 2015/2014, then 2017, and now I believe we're in the beginning stages of a new bull run. So you need to understand that there's periods where we run up, and then we're gonna crash afterwards, consolidate for years. And in my opinion, we're in the beginning stages of a new bull run where we're gonna run up. Then there's at some point there's gonna be a crash and the consolidation period for years. In my opinion, I think this cycle is most likely to end around the end of 2021. No one knows for sure. There's ways to extrapolate based off the Bitcoin halvings, but no one knows when the exact date, when the exact top of this market will be. As well, with institutional investors flooding into cryptocurrency, there's arguments that the bear markets that the cycle will be extended, or that the bear market won't be as terrible as before. Things won't crash as much, but no one really knows for sure. But what everyone knows for sure, or almost for sure, is that the cycles still exist. The cycles have been here all around, and until something disproves the cycles will remain. So just understand, this cycle is likely to end around the end of 2021. So because we're just in the beginning stages of the cycle, I'm holding absolutely everything for the long term. I believe buying and holding solid projects for the long term is the best strategy for people who aren't looking to actively manage your portfolio, or for new people. Okay, stay tuned to this channel. We break down amazing cryptocurrencies all the time. We'll even leave like a card in the top right corner or something for a video where I discuss my top 3 altcoins for this bull run. So I kind of want to move into my number 2 rule, not number 2 thing you guys need to know in order to succeed, which is don't trade. If you're a new person, relatively just getting into the space, you should not be trading. It takes a lot of experience and knowledge in technical analysis to be able to trade successfully, consistently. If you're a new person, you should not be trading at all. New people in the space who don't have a lot of experience and a lot of understanding when it comes to technical analysis and how markets move should not be trading at all, because it is a matter of time before you lose. These markets are highly volatile. There will be FUD stories all the time. There will be a million things and a million people trying to shake you out. If you're a new person, just understand there's going to be a dozen new stories and a dozen more drops in the market that are going to want to shake you out before the peak of this thing comes. So just understand, holding for the long term is the best strategy for a new person. You should not be trading. These markets are highly volatile. There's so much that goes behind being able to trade successfully, consistently. And unless you're extremely knowledgeable and experienced, you should not be trading at all. It's a great way to lose a lot of money. I've been day trading consistently for months, and I'm just getting to the point where I'm able to do it consistently well. Like somewhat, yeah. Like I've been able to, I can day trade somewhat well, and I'm getting better at it all the time. The point is, guys, I've been doing this. This is all I do. And I've been doing this for months and months and months. If you're a new person just getting into the space, you're trying to trade. Good luck. I mean, this is all I do every day, all day long. And even I sometimes make losing trades. So another thing to understand when part of the trading thing, my number 2 rule is, the vast majority of my portfolio is set for long-term bags. I trade with maybe 2% worth of my portfolios, a very minuscule amount, maybe even 1%. I trade with an extremely small amount. You should not be risking your long-term bags. I think buying and forgetting, the only thing a new person should be doing, in my opinion, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, is buying when things go down. That's the only thing you should do to your bags, is add to them when things go down. That's what I'm doing. I'm not. Okay, I want to be careful because I don't want to give financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but what I will be doing, the only thing I'll be doing to my long-term bags for the next few months here is add to them when things fall. That's it. That's it. And you should give strong consideration to that. Number three, when it comes to rules you need to know to become successful and potentially be a millionaire. I mean, who knows? It depends how much money you put in, right? Is understand that we're buying into assets that are very likely to explode in value the next few months. And a great way to compound that effect is to earn interest on your cryptocurrency. And there's some great ways to earn interest on your crypto. Down in the description below, there's a link to our Discord. Our Discord server has a section titled Resources. There we link off to a website that tells you all the websites and all the places where you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So join our Discord, link for that in the description below. But I'll just let you know here, Celsius, Crypto.com, and BlockFi are some of those popular ways you can earn interest on your crypto. As a long-term investor, I'm just holding my crypto. It's just lying around, so I might as well earn interest on it. And that interest I earn is in crypto. I'm earning interest on an asset that's likely to explode in the next few months. So guys, it's a great way to earn more money basically for free. I mean, you're hodling anyways. Why not earn interest? Again, Crypto.com, BlockFi, and Celsius are some of the most popular platforms. Make sure you check those out. Links for that down in the description below, as well as our Discord. Number four, my fourth rule: knowing when to get out. No one knows when the peak of the bull market will be for sure. My best guess it's that it's going to be late third quarter 2021, early fourth quarter. Another thing to understand: Bitcoin typically peaks out before the altcoins. So in my opinion, I think it's most likely that Bitcoin will peak out, and then roughly a month, maybe a few weeks after, 2-3 weeks after, the altcoins are likely to peak out. And I think, Bitcoin's likely to peak out, sometime late September, early October, that kind of thing. So that's kind of what I'm looking out for. But again, no one knows that for sure. The cycles may be extended. We may be off by a couple weeks, couple months. Who knows, right? So the one strategy that I'm implementing to kind of safeguard against the fact that no one knows when the top will be for sure is I will be scaling out, meaning I will be selling slowly. Starting third quarter 2021, I will start slowly selling my cryptocurrency because I don't know when the peak will be absolutely 100% for sure. So, kind of starting third quarter 2021 this year, starting to scale out a little bit more and more as we get to late third quarter, early fourth. I think is a good strategy that people should give a lot of consideration to. You don't want to miss the peak, and you don't want to sell way too early either. So I think scaling out, around third quarter, really scale. I'll personally be scaling out heavily late third quarter, 2021. I think is a very good strategy. Honestly, around August, September is when I'll be taking. I'll really start to scale out, at least in my opinion. That's kind of what I'm looking out for as of now. That may change moving forward, but that is my plan as of now, and I believe you should give a lot of consideration doing something like that, scaling out, taking your profits slowly over time, near the end of the cycle. And guys, number five, do research. There's so much to know when it comes to these markets. So much when it comes to technical analysis, the fundamentals of all these coins, the dynamics, what factors affect these coins from Bitcoin dominance, the money flow, to the printing of money, to on-chain analytics. There's so much to understand, and if you want to be in the successful in cryptocurrency space, you have to do more research and put in an effort to learn and acquire more knowledge. If you find yourself asking the question, should I buy or should I sell this right now? That is your cue that you do not understand enough and that you need to do a whole hell of a lot more research. I've been in the space actively for many months now, and I'm just getting to the point where I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on the market as a whole and what affects things. And so, guys, there's so much learning in the space. Please always do research. In our Discord group, there's a resources section where we post helpful resources all the time. So give our Discord group a follow, guys. Check that out. Always be learning and growing. There's so much to learn when it comes to technical analysis and fundamentals. So yeah, just always be learning, guys. And it might sound hokey to say, but stay tuned to this channel, guys. We're going to be breaking down technical analysis and big news stories all throughout this bull run, so make sure you stay tuned, guys. This is my list for 5 things I think everyone needs to know in order to succeed in the cryptocurrency space. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I definitely read the comments. I'll reply to you guys. Our Discord as well. We talk to our Discord members all the time. Check all those things out. Give us a follow on Rarible, guys. Really appreciate it. Consider purchasing an NFT to support the channel. Give us a follow on Twitter. Link for all that will be down in the description below. I'll wrap it up there, guys. That's it for now. Take care.